Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add initials to all pages in Docusign. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome browser or any browser that you prefer to work with, and then type in docusign.com and it will take you to this page. On this page, you have the options of signing in or logging in for you to have access to your Docusign account to work with. Alright, for the purpose of this video, I will just have to log in since I already have an existing account. But if you do not have one, ensure that you're armed with your Gmail address, phone number, and password to help you sign in easily. Having logged in, the Docusign platform, which is the homepage of my Docusign platform, would open up like this, and I hope it's the same on your screen. Now, to add initials to all pages in Docusign, the first thing you want to do is open up a particular template that you want to work with. For the purpose of this video, I'll be working with this template, as you can see. So I'll just click on that and open it up. All right. Now what I want to do is add initials to all pages in Docusign. So after that opens up, as you can see, I've added the particular document I want to work with. I will head down here to fill up these fields with the right information, and then I'll just click on next down here at the right corner. So having clicked on that, it will take me to the next page where I have to add initials. Now, on the left side of your PC, you will see a list of fields, and the second field here is initial. Now, to add initial to this particular document, the first thing I want to do is head over to the first page. So this is the first page, and then I will just go to initial. I will click and drag it and then drop it where I want it to appear on my document. So I can head over to the second page. If I want it to appear here, all right, I will click and drag and drop it where I want it to appear. As you can see on your screen, if I want it to appear somewhere here on the third page, I will do the same thing, click and drag and drop it here. So these are ways you can add initials to all pages in your Docusign account. I hope this video was simple and explanatory for you, and you've learned how to add initials to all pages on your Docusign document. So when you're done, you just click on send, and as you can see, that document will be sent in no time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was enlightening for you and you've learned how to add initials to all pages in your Docusign document. Until next time, bye for now.